Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is my attempt at making a database. Well, a type of database. Let's go to the form. I've already created a form in Google Docs. It's a database. Let's take a look at what it looks like. And it's going to come in as a spreadsheet. I don't have any questions right now, but what I can do is take these questions and pop them into Google, or rather Moodle. And I'm going to use Moodle database. It's going to complain that I haven't used it in a while, so it's going to ask me to log in again. So I click databases and type in my password. Log in. All right, and I'm going to have to create a new database again. So features, demo, because this particular website wipes out everything on a regular basis. So I'm going to turn the editing on. And I'm going to add an activity, database. In a moment, it's going to prompt me. Okay, and so we're going to create a standards-based question. All right, and this is required entries. Entries required before, yeah, why not? Maximum entries, none. Comments, yeah, why not? Require approval, yes. Use rating, scale satisfactory, that's all good. Save and return to course. Save and return to course. It's behaving slowly. Save and display. I must apply a value here. Okay. So here's my value. Control C and Control V. That's my value. Save and return to course. All right, so there's my database name, and now I'm going to edit it. Really don't like Firefox in Mac. All right, so I've already edited it. I don't need to do that again. Locally assigned roles. Nope, nope, nope. Now I need to add fields, so I'm going to choose a field. Now, unfortunately, Moodle is not smart enough to import an existing database, or if it is, it certainly does make it easy to do so. Because if I try to add entry, it says there are no fields defined, and there's no way of importing. There's no import here, so I have to start from scratch again. So choose new field. Let's take a look at our fields, our field names. Our field names are here are our field names right here. All right, so first field name is timestamp. And I'm going to add that because it's just going to make it easier for me to import these questions, because I can export this. I can send this form off to 1 million people who are not connected to Google, to Moodle at all, and get their questions. And I've made it generic, so I can use it over and over again. So let's go take a look. I need a timestamp. So timestamp, click, click, click. Choose date. There's no timestamp here. That's a flaw. So I click timestamp. I name it timestamp. Click add. I'm going to add a new field. Choose a new field. This one's going to be text. And it's going to be first name. And I'm going to add another one. Text. It's going to be last name. Check. And you can see it's building over here. Now choose. Now what was the other? I don't need that. I want this. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and Control C. Copy. That's going to be a text area because no idea how long it's going to be. Column width, give it 100. Rows 5. And what is the other one? And okay, and this one is the multiple choice, and this one's going to be a little more involved. So let's choose. It's going to be a multiple choice. Menu, multi-select. Radio. Radio buttons. Okay, so I click on that field name. And options, 1 per line. Now this might actually be easier than before. We'll see. Options, 1 per line. So I've already got my options. In fact, I took the options straight from the California standards, which is where teachers are supposed to be, California English teachers and teachers in general are supposed to be taking their standards from. So I took it straight from there, and these are the ones I identify. These are the easier ones to identify. Unfortunately, Google doesn't allow it to see all of that. I mean, see all that real estate. All that real estate's wasted in this UI. So I'm going to copy it and go back here. Field description. That's 1 per line. So I'm going to test this because I haven't used it. And Control A, Control C. Click, 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 click. Control V. Now add. Let's see what happens. I should get 2. I should get 2 selections here. Save changes. I want to preview it. There is no preview button. Oh, Moodle. Okay, view single. Oh, and I have to create a template. God, really just chaps me. So I go over here. No preview. Okay, I got the preview. Blah, blah, blah. Disable the save template. Save template. Click. And now view single. All right. Add entry. Ooh. Look at that. Okay, so it did come in. I did come in with both lines, but this is wrong. And there's no edit button here, so I have to go back. Why did it do that? The text area is wrong. 5 rows, 100 columns. 5 rows is significantly more than that. Let's go for 10, see if it changes anything. And add entry. That helped a little bit. All right, so we've got the basic principle here. I have to pause now, but we've got a pretty good handle on the database now. I'll just finish it up and post again in a moment. Thanks for watching.